Welcome to my YouTube channel Rezacat. Myself Yash Mishra, and today in the solid state section we will be seeing some new topics. So here the new topic is density of the unit cell. Okay. So in the density of the unit cell, it is defined as the ratio of mass per unit cell upon total volume of the unit cell. Okay. So this is very important topic for prospective of JEE Mains advanced and also for NEET examination. So let's see what are the density of the unit cell. So it is defined like this, and the formula is Z into M upon A cube into Na. And what is it? Z into M, mass per unit cell upon A cube into Na, total volume of the unit cell. Okay, so it is defined like this. Okay, and Z is the number of particles per unit cell, M is the atomic mass or the molecular mass, A is the H length of the unit cell, A cube is the volume of the unit cell. So these are the four terms which are used: Z, M, A and A cube. Okay, and Na is the Avogadro number, 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, so we have to remember this formula as mass per unit cell upon total volume of the unit cell, which is defined as the density of the unit cell. Okay, A is the H length of the unit cell, A cube volume of the unit cell. Since it is a cube, so volume will be A cube. M is the molecular mass. Okay, and Z is the number of particles per unit cell. We seen in the previous lecture what are the effective number of particles: n by 8 plus n by 2 plus n by 1, n by 8 for the when the atom is arranged in the corner, n by 2 when it faces, and n by 1 when it is at the center of the unit cell. So this is how we calculate the density of a particular unit cell. So this is the approach we have to follow. Then coming to the next topic, which is the packing fraction of a unit cell. So how the packing fraction is defined for a unit cell? It is defined as a ratio of volume occupying by sphere upon the total volume of the unit cell. So volume occupied by sphere is nothing else but the volume occupied by the atoms which are present upon the total volume of a particular unit cell. Okay, so the formula is Vz upon V. Okay, or 4 by 3 pi r cube into Z upon A cube. A cube is the total volume of the unit cell. 4 upon 3 pi r cube into Z is the volume occupied by the sphere or the atoms which are present. So in this, the what is R? R is the radius of atom. Okay, R is the radius of atom, A is the H length of the cube. Okay, and Z is the number of particles per unit cell. So packing density formula is Vz by V, or 4 by 3 pi r cube into Z by A cube. So this is the formula which we have to remember: 4 by 3 pi r cube Z by A cube, and or the volume occupied by sphere upon the volume total volume of the unit cell. A cube is the total volume of unit cell, and it is a cube, and 4 upon 3 pi r cube is the volume of the sphere, as the atoms we consider which are present as the spherical in shape. So and the Z is the number of particles per unit cell. Okay, so it comes out to be effective volume of the atoms which are present upon the total volume of the structure which is there. Okay, thank you.